My partner Jenny and I met in a Stern incubator class. The goal of the class was to go to India and then to devise a business that would solve a social problem.
Our social incubator class with Professor Hans Deparia kicked off with a 2-week trip to India, which was an amazing adventure. We talked to leaders within the healthcare space, and with each person that we spoke with, we asked, if you could snap your fingers and fix something, what are the top 3 things you'd want to fix?
Time and time again we heard that it was iron deficiency anemia was the biggest problem. The World Health Organization calls iron deficiency anemia a silent epidemic, and it mostly affects pregnant women and their children. It makes pregnant women more likely to die during childbirth, and it makes their children have cognitive and motor skills development delays. One study suggested that if you solve the anemia problem in India, the GDP would instantly raise 6%. This is a centuries-old problem that has not been solved by extraordinary effort on the behalf of governments and public health.
It's clear that public health alone cannot solve the issue.
Out of the 26 million pregnant women in India each year, over 50% are anemic. And what was really troubling to us was that a vast majority of these women have access to iron pills, which is the status quo solution. The problem was they weren't taking them. What we began to realize was perhaps the pill itself was a problem. This entire venture wouldn't have been possible without Stern. Last summer, Jenny and I received funds from Stern through the Social Impact Internship Fund program. This allowed us to spend our entire summer in Bangalore working with nutritionists and researchers on developing prototypes.
We were blessed to partner with an amazing entity in Bangalore, India called St. John's Research Institute and Hospital, where we worked with physicians and nutritionists and pregnant patients.
We developed a prototype of an iron-fortified biscuit because we realized that the biscuit was much more culturally appropriate than the iron pill. We're moving to clinical trials soon. It'll take about 12 to 18 months, and then we'll be able to bring the product to market. I came to Stern because I truly believed that the solution to a lot of these intractable challenges the world faces today cannot be done by government alone, cannot be done by business alone.
I think there needs to be a marriage of public health and business in order to effectively come up with solutions. With my background in public health, I came to Stern to marry that passion in healthcare and public health with business skill set. That has really served to empower me, to help me to feel like I can be an entrepreneur, which was something I never thought was even an option for me. Stern gave me the business acumen to make this venture a reality.